Hi, welcome to Southfield One Take TV. My name's Derek and today I'm showing you our special clearance line that this is the second in a series that will be about 6 or something. So once again, a large chunk of SRA3 size paper with some lovely modern Christmas designs. You get a grey board, you get 15 sheets and you get a wad of them. These colours of paper are black, pink and navy, and again we've got various different designs in here. Christmas trees, three different Christmas trees, some snowflakes, some more Christmas trees and some Merry Christmas wording. Brilliant as background papers, ideal for craft projects. As I say, a massive wad of paper you're going to get. If you're ordering this on its own with nothing else, you'll have to pay some carriage. If you're ordering it with an existing order, then you're fine. £3, and I'm sure you'll agree you'll get an absolute killing out of this. These sheets can be sold individually or you can put them in wee packs yourself or do whatever. So it's a great little product. This one's called DGM 099 and again it'll be on the website if you want to go there and have a wee look. Southfield-stationer.com. Cheers!